Pasta is always a great choice, and today is no different. Take 200 grams of Calabrese sausage, and chop it completely. Then, grab a skillet and add olive oil to taste. Place the chopped sausage to fry for 2 minutes, stirring to brown well. At this point, remove and set aside. Now, take an onion, remove the skin, cut it in half, and chop. Next, take a tomato and chop it as well. Using the same skillet where we prepared the sausage, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic, the onion, and stir while frying for just 1 minute. Add the tomato, stir well, letting it fry for another minute. Now, add 150 grams of tomato sauce. Return the sausage we prepared earlier, and stir. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Then, add 150 grams of gammatai pasta to the sauce. Stir well. Add 350 milliliters of water. Stir well, and it will cook right in the sauce. Season to taste with salt and black pepper. Stir. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. And look how it turned out, it's ready. Let's just finish with chopped parsley and green onions to taste to bring a light freshness and serve. And this is the result, a creamy pasta, full of flavor, all made in a single pot, with Calabrese sausage and the fresh touch of parsley and green onions. Practical, quick, and perfect for any meal of the day. If you liked this tip, leave your like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next recipes. Comment below what you thought and what you would do differently to make it your own. That's it for now, see you next time.